Hello guys, this is the vending machine. So we are trying to play and how to work this, how to working this but vending machine, Hello Kitty vending machine. So we are first, you have a slot there here, and then you can put the Coca-Cola or milk. We have here Coca-Cola, orange juice, and milk and coffee. If you want, you can choose what you want. Charot, English terada. So and there you have coins comes down, comes, and then this is the battery compartment. So let's play. So the first is Coca-Cola, Coke, can put there. And then orange juice, next milk, and then coffee, last one coffee. So after that guys, so I have a battery na, charot, and then put the coins there. So yeah, let's try. So Coke, first is Coke. Can press the Coke. Oh, so
thank you.
Can this cup comes down, misread English. Next, orange. Oh, where's the orange?
Thank you. Welcome to come again.
And next, milk.
Thank you. Welcome to come again.
Come again. The last is coffee.
Thank you.
And thank you. Thank you for watching, guys.